Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Coordinate back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Selena Gomez De Una Vez. I think that's how you pronounce that. Anyways, we're using basic chords. Just make sure your guitar's in standard tuning, put your cap on fret number 2, and we're playing the following chords. So we have a G, and then we go to A minor, and then back to G, and then this is a B minor. That's G, and then we go to A minor. We're back on G, and then we play G, A minor, back on G, and then B minor. Alright, so you can play B minor as 0-2-0-2-3-0. Right now I'm plucking 6-4-3-2, then you go to A minor, 5-4-3-2, again 6-4-3-2, and then this is now 5-4-3-2, okay, for your D7. And that is pretty much it for the whole song, guys. If you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using, you can check out my chord video. It is in the description below. It will teach you how to hold the chords, and then you can watch this video for your progressions. Otherwise, subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you.